Discover how high-quality seamless aluminum pipes are produced with backward extrusion. We start from premium aluminum rods, which are heated and prepared for extrusion. During reverse extrusion, the material flows backward, producing fine-grained, precise, and strong seamless pipes. We specialize in the 2000, 5000, 6000, and 7000 series aluminum alloys, including grades like 2024, 5083, 6061, and 7075. These alloys meet different requirements, whether for lightweight, corrosion resistance, or high-strength applications. Our seamless pipes are widely used in automotive, aerospace, energy, and industrial machinery projects. With global export experience, including Turkey, Mexico, and more than 20 other countries, we ensure reliable quality and on-time delivery. Contact us today for customized seamless aluminum pipe solutions and competitive quotations.